So, show me.
Show you what?
Your gun.
I don't have a gun.
No. No gun, huh? What are we gonna kill Hector with? A knife? Oh. That should work. Just, your way. What if it turns out that Hector isn't the man that killed your sister?
Isn't he?
We don't know that yet. You don't have to worry about that. It's for us to work out. You need to be here for your family and leave the vengeance part to us.
When you find who did it for sure, will you kill him?
No. I won't kill him, but I'll make him very sorry. I have a daughter, about your age, if I hadn't caused her death. Her and a mother.
Yeah.
Out of arrogance. Stupidity. I made an evil man very angry, and he killed them to teach me a lesson. To make me sorry for what I'd done. And I am sorry. Being sorry is far worse punishment than being dead. Everybody dies. Very few people ever feel truly sorry for the bad things they've done. Hurts.